One more way into the platform, and it's the fastest of all. If your project already lives in a spreadsheet, and most projects start there, you can bring the whole thing in at once. That's the Excel import. It starts on the Assignments page. Download template. What arrives is a workbook with 13 sheets, one per part of a project. Charter, voice of the customer, processes, SIPOC, the value stream map, FMEA, and the rest. Every sheet ships with an example row already filled in, so you can see the expected shape before you type a thing. Fill in your own rows, save the file, and come back here. Import from Excel. Pick the workbook. And that's a whole project built in one pass. Let's see what came across. The charter with the sponsor and the process owner straight from the workbook. The process carrying an upper spec limit of 24 hours. And here's the part worth pausing on. The SIPOC process column and the value stream map underneath it. The importer matched them by wording, so every step in the map is linked to its SIPOC cell. Not copied. Linked. The same connection we built by hand 2 lessons ago, done for you. Further down, the rest arrived too. An FMEA entry, ticket sits in queue unassigned, severity 9, occurrence 7, detection 6, risk priority number 378, and the platform graded it high priority on its own. Bad cells, by the way, don't sync the import. They come back as row-level warnings, so one typo in row 40 doesn't cost you the other 39. This was a demonstration, so let's clean up after ourselves. Delete, and notice the guard. Type the project title to confirm. That's not friction for its own sake. Deleting a project deletes everything under it. Type it out, and it's gone. That's Chapter 5. You can build a project by hand, time it by observation, or import it wholesale. Next chapter is the one I'd point any new belt to first, the training sandbox, where you can practice all of this without a real process on the line. See you there.